Every footstep, tap on a laptop keyboard. And clicking pen sound as if other humans are attempting to communicate with me subliminally, unconsciously, in silence. And worse, unfortunately, there's often language and voices and whispers involved. Talking, I can only describe as lots and lots and lots of sensory stimulation, noise and silence, empty, with nothing else other than hollow, emotionless, examples of sound. Each shadow and face and body I see, no different than who hunts me to kill me in silence and their dominance. And all I can do until I finish engineering suicide and no suffering in silence has to do with what humans do psychologically in Washington State. Ignore what's obvious and verbally describable involving nonverbal, dominant humans. Who, if I don't comply with their demands, will watch me die and suffer and laugh with no emotion at my death on their object in outer space. Undoubtedly, without a care in the world, in outer space, with such economic value to work towards as stimulation, with an eventual reward of a family and all of the other perks humans receive who are intelligent, smart, and genius. There's these long pauses between sound and voice and talking and body, footsteps, and emotion in silence. But there's no freedom with attention and awareness either. Wherever I am in outer space, in Washington State,